So, ma'am, kamusta po?
Opening statement po kayo.
Okay. Okay. Just two sentences, one sentence, and then no questions. Yeah, I know. Sadly, no? Sad. Siya ang may kasalanan. Sabi niya no questions daw.
Ma'am, over.
Yes. So my statement is, in this bloodbath and bludgeoning, I will be blooded but unbowed. Maraming salamat.
Ma'am, kamusta kayo, ma'am? Ma'am, kamusta kayo, ma'am?
Ano comment nyo na